This is the Knott Sealed for Life compact bearing by Treadway. The main feature of this bearing is that it's maintenance free, meaning no greasing is required. This reduces downtime and maintenance costs by 80%. The bearing has a double sealing system that is water and dirt resistant and can accommodate axle loads in both directions as well as radial loads. It is sealed for life to ensure extended usage and comes with a 3-year or 100,000 kilometre guarantee. So make sure your hubs have this bearing and secure yours from Treadway.